nim say edu October bia na ya na say ye Pinky Toba not ya say breast cancer awareness month and aso no fo mu kokrom ye yi sa October ye esi was boso me a ye mfa enye emmo no fo kokrom a eto no fo mu dawuro na ye hye ewiase nyina na eye empanyimfo hwehwemu amayate ase se nipa dodo be 2.3 million e ma dodo 2.3 million na afibia no oba wiase afa na maye worldwide no e ma dodo a etimi enam eye no fom kokram yi ebi ehwe won kwa ebi nso no etimi eyi no fo no kra etwa efiri honom na ye Africa hanom say no eye over 24,000 e ma dodo a mutimi efa no fom kokram ehwe won kwa e wo Africa ebibre mamu hanum see over 24,925 and etimi fa no fom kokram ehwe omon kwa na ye ma Ghana mu hanum see afi bia no afi e ma dodo a omokwa yaresa bia e ma ye hu se no fom kokram anya bie a ye twa bie no fo ne firi honom ebu nso no ne e se yetimi eso ano no moso ano no e 45,325 we na statistics e de ama ye na ye hye be no fom kokram na e bisa ye say how many times in predo was saying and I yan akasa no mpo no e ma dodo no yetimi eye den eye sa routine checks na ehye se bia no fo no lamp bi anase po bi e ba abedem anase yetimi kwa yaresa bia se me hye da ba se yen hwehwe se no fo mu kokram anase niam e da di man so ba no fo mu kokram anya bi no yetimi ekohye enne ye ba ebedin komo ye ne nua ba bia sebe eye no fo mu kokram anya bia wono so sa kwantu watu enne no fo no eni ho biem ana ye twa ba ko afiri ho ye no na ebetwetwe enkomo ne ebisa no se kra na no fo no ana se sa ya wie ofa hu se fa ba ye ene kwan ben so na otimi efa ye asa bre bedu bebi a edu the trauma no kra na ofa mu net say stigmatization edu sa bre ya be se na se nipa bebre na ete wo ho because ye na ye de ensem bebre na the fall ba sa bre na ye honhom na ba yie na ye sei ye ensem bebre tie ne nua ba Joyce Ado a survivor ebedin komo ebisa no fo mu kokram send etie eya oben na akom ekwan ben so mpo na ofa hu se mi obi net sen
nyame adum
ho efe
that's
breast cancer no fo mu kokram emi say edu October bia na mpanyifo de ato ho no say yen hye ne mbodawuro Ghana ma ne doctors ahodo mbodawuro emfa breast cancer yen create awareness na kwakwa survivor ma menka ne sai say wafamu na nyankopon adom woda so etiase ya hwe your journey with breast cancer ekwan ben so na efa ba ya ohun se kokram ya wie se be wanya bi
okay me da say breast cancer my journey no started with one night me ana me hwe me ho me obi a meta eye routine checks and in October no kwa na me ye me checks nti one night me da wa me ye me checks na me hu lamp no so I was contemplating say no ana say no. So I took the bold step, went to the hospital back and forth labs ni nyina it was confirmed say cancer. So let's say you two one among ti ye koso ba erade so de ya bedu ni de
enti ye hweta ma hu lamp no e wo no fo mu no se na kwa ye wo ye routine checks wan kasa utimi edofo ho ehun se enti wo hu se lamp no wo mu a wo ye se wutu ho anamo no ye hwe uti ya obi na ma akwa check lamp no na se how was the symptom ye hwe symptoms na se enema bi e dance ma hu se ade we de betimi aye bia
okay lamp time me nya no me hu ye no that time de na me in Philippines ba me hu na say normal lamp I thought say bia menses ba say dia e ma ye hu sesa no but still na me very suspicious nti e ma me call hospital no it was after the hospital then I started feeling the pain.
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
nti
ye hwe ya na edu bia ye say ya na yare bi wo hono ma na se bibi ba ese ye busua yare ye hwe we dey sorry o ye call family mu kakra family history e bi a abusua ne mu no growing up no hu se obi e wo hono ma sa no fom kokra mo nya bi wo abusua ne mu da na
yeah
Okay.
My family members ni bi just say enye nuclear.
Okay.
Extended family members ni bi enye bi.
Okay.
But one thing about it in Susre, omu nyina nya ayen, me na my survivor.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh. It's in a way, maybe I can say be a genetical baby and as a family.
No. Because me labs ni ade ni nyina genetics I was negative.
Okay.
You know, as to say be a draw be a no ye aduane bi I wouldn't be able to say it.
Okay.
But me labs and I was negative to the cancer cells.
Okay. And see yan share a bra ubehu lamp now started say ebi awo kwaya sabia ma ya check anyway. Yan some of the checks and yama be na do fa mu also betimi den akire and say ye create awareness nti yama be na do fa mu and so ba bi hwe wa den na ebe ma na ase me hu we ya yama be na dance a won say me hu sa na yama we wo me de say metimi etu sa na mo.
Okay. Lamp no normally enye obi ana ne de ewo ne nufu.
Okay.
Etimi ba okon ho kon aso okokoso motuam. Nti no o check a wontimi nka se me check me nufu no nko ana megya de aka na esa o check ni nyina. Nti o hu lamp na o be call hospital. O be take biopsy. Nti biopsy no be ma pathologist for no be hu
Biopsy ni eden.
One take a sample of the lamp.
Okay.
Yeah. One be take a sample of the lamp. One day it could be say a cancer and I say normal tissue be and I say it is a prove say a cancer now. Then Obaka could take CT scan. CT scan no be confirm say a cancer cell na kasana and I say cancer cell na akobe before fro and I say unufunu mu nko ana ewo nti ehon na ebema doctors no so agina so ehu treatment a esese wo mo de ma obi wo homo a wo ma na ye surgery no ansa na wa chemo obi wo nso a oye chemo ni wi ansa na
chemo ye den ya
chemotherapy ni ye treatment a ye de ma just to kill the cancer cells.
Okay.
Yeah. Nti no it depends o stage and the way a lamp no etie one CT scan now they wouldn't be able to go ahead with the treatment.
Okay. It's any cancer ni nyina na ye twa sebe oba no fufui ho ebi wo ma ye curable.
Oh, ni nyina let me say ni nyina ye curable if only say it is detected early.
Okay.
But obi wo homo a the size of the lamp no no it wouldn't be necessary say e be ni nufu no. And obi wo nso so a ye be hu no na lamp no aye kese nti no and if so mo yes adwi na o mu twitwa ba bia lamp ni bedu no o mu twitwa e hu no ti bo ho anufu na ebeka no ye kitwa bi ntimi fa ye hwe mimi dey say that was the situation o say ba bia lamp no da no twa nufu na ebeka no ntimi fa ye hwe nti na better say o yi free ho na wa hu say o ye free na wa ye free.
Okay. Nti ye nhwe nufo no ye free wonom na ye another transplant I be a wonam a obi hu say nufo e bia ne nufo ni ho ana say ye free asen na ya na e ho no etie
ye free ho a ebi mo transplant.
Okay.
But if you were normal your chest become bare.
To say wonom
she ni ho nti no o dress ya wo mo wo my forms are you use.
Oh, okay. I won't know my you.
Say I'm too a woman, say, Bibi ni ho.
It's yen share a ya na edu sabrea. On say, what can you know? Edu be a obi musa, Sibiana, ya na offery because of the stigma. Once a na ya dia fall for a ya manga and mobile bibiana near the aqua ye be and if ye not ya pebby before there. It's ever stigmatization. How did you deal with the world like? Eyi mu ba mu e ba sa no na sen na amanfo a na omo ben wo a omo no wote sen na afi relationship na etie.
Okay. Me stigmatization no. When I say it was from afar.
Okay.
Not close. See, me I didn't feel it because let me say me ma won hu de ha me and I was stigmatizing me.
Sure.
So I kept it close to my family, those who were support. They were those who knew about my situation and then everything.
Okay.
Mama outside the beer, and my family also helped.
Okay.
They covered it up because they know say obi hu a Ghana ha no obi ti say when your cancer perfo say nipa na ibewu nti no me obi nti mpo so obewu owu a wanwu a nyame na aye na do nti no they kept it very close.
Okay.
No outsider was involved.
Okay.
Yeah.
How expensive is it to go through cancer surgery and I said through that process, diagnosing, how expensive is it? And I said you to treat cancer.
Very expensive.
Oh.
Very expensive. And it is a when your supporter. Yarabia make us say a man a woman. Ebi mo homo a enye yare ani ne ko ebi yare ho ebi esikasem ebi okrampo bi kro ne be kasampo keke no ehedin nti meme kasa yare ne kunipa bebre yare ne nkunipa but situations around the yare no eno na ma nipa ne bebre efiri mu because anka ye hu na se emwa ne wo ho na wo beji wo treatments nyina I don't think say say obi wu e yare from my experience.
Okay.
Because me hu yare no if you say no although ya ka kire me we menya cancer but the trauma alone mate say me yekimu e betwa me nufu. I wasn't ready for it. So I even stopped going to the hospital. And I wouldn't advise anybody to do that. Because as no be any niti. Me ja hospital ne kono. Me dia and spread it. And spread it. It took a lot of time and convincing for me to go back to the hospital. And luckily for me, when I went back to the hospital, it was there but it didn't spread.
Okay.
So quickly we went ahead with the treatment. But be our wo de wo be hu wo de no. Na obeka say wo tena se kakra no. Bia na edi wo bone. Nti our advice say eye hu de ye ka kire wa eye hu. Staring at death. Eye hu pa.
Okay.
It takes a lot of courage. So we call the survivors warriors.
Sure.
Because it takes a lot of courage for you to go through and determination. Because say you catch also when you're cancer, no matter how emotions tear, you break. Me, I read the report myself, even before a doctor confirmed say you have cancer. I read it and it wasn't easy for me.
Okay. So your reaction on reading the report, for normal checks now, the report, I'm reading the report. Like that moment, what came to your mind? What was the reaction?
My first question was, Intimibe ueja mebe.
Wow.
That was the first question.
Okay.
I asked myself. Ahaya na nameti. Na me kan report. In fact, me bu mania. Let me show. So my husband came back. He wasn't around. When he came back, he saw me sitting and he was like, and then I don't know why you didn't say. And I'm saying, and that's what I'm saying. And I gave the report to him. So he looked into the report and said, what is there? And I'm saying, I didn't know cancer. The first question was, why you say Anna?
Wow.
And I'm saying, I didn't know be some sir. Also, are you going to die? Did they tell you you will die? Is there no cure? That was his question.
Okay.
And I said no. So why are you like this? We will go through it.
Wow.
And that moment is suno.
It's try.
It's try. I will need to try, and I got to know say
you have somebody.
I have support. So I always say nipa dia on short forms ne ade but through this he is my backbone.
Wow.
Me yi nyame a
Wow.
me yi nyame a ye born in Paya. He was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so and easy. Wait, a question where a bit but let me going into the theater down say and me go theater for the surgery. Like get your preparations towards the theater. How did you prepare to meet?
In fact, me going to the theater, I was happy.
Okay.
I was happy because I knew I was going to get a second chance to live.
Wow. There was that faith.
Yes. That was why I went to the theater.
Okay.
Because after diagnosing me, I also came back, sat down and read.
Okay.
Studied cancer a little. The little I can read, I did. And I got to know that free wa. Let me say you have about 70 to 80% chances of survival.
Surviving.
So why not? I'll keep the breast and die. If the breast is not there, I have my chance of. So why don't take it off?
Okay.
Until later, maybe you back on cry. Me no me say me yi me no ni na mpo.
Okay, nti e basa na ba near affect you no any ye.
Yeah.
But anyway, entimi affect the other one na possibility of it, you know.
Oh, ebi munya reoccurrence.
Okay.
And that is my prayer now. Say there shouldn't be a reoccurrence.
Okay.
Because reoccurrence in there, yeah,
okay. Nti yen share after we know after surgery your mom was special dieting and I say like dieting, how is the dieting like in a normal life? Do you go about your normal lifestyle, taking whatever you need to take, and I say there are restrictions somehow?
Okay, nobody is going to restrict you.
Okay.
They will advise.
Okay.
And one thing I me who about cancer is sugar. Sugar the greatest enemy of cancer because on no supply na hooding. Nti me read it about it me starting my treatment although they will tell you, but maybe imagine say I wouldn't let any sugar enter into my system.
Okay.
And then I cut carbohydrates. Now vegetables near the end. Yeah.
Okay.
Nti no eno no ya ne sa na ono no ba bi onya na hoodin ne fi no wakele ahoodin nti no treatment no ekoso.
Okay. Nti ya share cancer awareness no and as a cancer survivors mo fund be is there any special fund that a support mo e wo kwan bi so ana your special fund is set aside to support cancer victims?
No,
there are no funds.
No, there are no funds.
Okay.
But I think say Kolebu surgical oko na say why you determined say obey treatment no na say if you open up to them what they can they will do to help you because your survival is their priority.
Okay.
So when you talk to them about to seek assembly idea what they can do for you they will do for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nti yeah brain no nya but yeah share kwan a wo defa so hu say wo bi no wo se na wankasa wo emia na say wo massage.
Yeah.
Like ubetimi am some simple illustrations so oba bi hwe ya then ono so ya na bi so ono so person no wankasa eye we ya say kwan ben so ubetimi illustrate am ya hwe.
Okay. Yeah, normally we are on Sanisea. You start from your armpits.
Okay.
We roll, I say, what they want, sir, we rolling on, then come to your neck, to your chest, then you do it down to the nipple. Open so you massage the nipple inside and then you roll around it to feel it. And normally, ebi mu die no memi die say ekose me nufu na se.
Okay.
Nti say me ti ho normal say na me mbo bright you wouldn't know. Me nya changes bia ebi mu say o mu nufu na se color ne ade me hu those signs no.
Okay.
My breast was normal. Nothing changed.
Okay.
Except the lamp protruding.
Okay.
And even lamp on the crowd.
Na protruding ma who say.
And I make a say, just a medaho.
Okay.
Mendaho, meti hono ma who lamp on. Because I could share menu for us.
Okay.
You know. In fact, we really have to check ourselves daily. Because yes, after our menses, but media me who I think 2 days to me menses.
Okay.
In this say, yeah, the she and Tim say, me was special day be me the check here. It wouldn't help. Me my yana say, me crowd the piano. I'll check it.
Okay.
Inti no so bet me the crowd. Aye, said the be I will reinfino. When say this day I have to check. Oh yeah, weekly cry and say because it wouldn't take even 5 minutes cry to check yourself.
Okay. Enti ye hwe ma hwe yen na sabe enuanu ma omososo no situation ni bi a ono so breast cancer yi anasa no fom kokra mu anya bi ba bonu hu ama afi ontimi pon ko hospital na bi a doctor fo ahwe no ene afi yen so a ye hwe wo da futu na wo de be ma asafo yi.
My futu first one here. Early detection saves life. Cancer, but detection no starts from you. Say, what one study now where doctor on the hospital, Ghana you routine checkups. And October penny years was breast cancer
Every year.
Inti say what say obetwen 1 year and so akwa screening na. Ebia 1 year ne beso no na ade na di wa brother da. Inti no yankasa ye nhwe ye ho. Ye hu ne ntem. Unhu nsoso a eye hu. But fashion utim say me hu no ma solve 10% of yare no. Me two anamon ko hospital ma solve 50% nti aye 60. 40 na aka no eye nyankopon ene aduro no ye de be ma won.
Okay.
Because what na fia emwa
Etebusia enkomoni na no ena wone egusu a watie bi wati bi mejidi say obefamu aba na wo so early detection no wo so ahase enti wankasa no yenua ba Joyce akire wo so wankasa oba wo ho a enye de bia na abaka se mekwa ya sabe de ho hia na so de bia no udware mpo a wotimi yara na se woda ho no mo no wankasa de wo so be chase efu motuom wo ma won san so ko wechi na abonsa ene na mo motuo mu sa afa akon ho aba enti yenua ba ene ye di nkomo bebre enchen ema no enya ansa onu hu ne ntembo a otu anamo no ende sabe no no fo ba ko eni ho na wo a obetwentwen so enti mama ye nchen October mema ye nchen October no eba afibia ba ko enti ye nchen October ne dia na ebedi emu ache ti ebesre se enua ba no ohu ne ntem oso ano enti ne ne otiase no enti ohu ne ntem na wo so ano a ebeboa na fa ebusua so se stigma edu bebi abon se untimi bon se obi apese otwe ne ho ese ye kan sem bebre enti ebusua so no yesre se ebasa ye ma odo enye adwuma san said that is the time omuhia eye ebusua ne most enti yenu aba Joyce beda na se na twonkomo ntu so bomodin na start na so check na be ye na enche October na bomodin na ko hu doctor na ono so enhye ese bibia eye kama mawana enti Pinktober take advantage of it na feel so for check your breast cancer status.